If you're a federal employee, knowing when you can withdraw your TSP without penalty can literally save you thousands of dollars. Let's break it down in simple terms. First, the standard rule. If you withdraw before age 59 and a half, you typically pay a 10% early withdrawal penalty plus taxes. But here's where it gets interesting. Rule number 1, the rule of 55. If you leave federal service in the year you turn 55 or later, you can withdraw from your TSP without that 10% penalty. And if you're in special roles like law enforcement or firefighters, that age drops to 50. Rule number 2, still working? If you're still employed, you generally need to wait until 59 to take penalty-free withdrawals. Rule number 3, special exceptions. You can also avoid penalties if you become permanently disabled. You use substantially equal periodic payments, 72T, or in certain disaster-related withdrawals. But here's the mistake most people make: rolling your TSP into an IRA too early. Once you do that, you lose the rule of 55 advantage and must wait until 59 and a half again. So what should you do? The key is simple. Your age at separation determines everything. Plan it right, and you access your money early without penalties. Plan it wrong, and you lose thousands in taxes and penalties. This is why TSP withdrawal strategy isn't optional. It's critical. Subscribe to Federal Pension Advisors for more smart tips.